Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about how to get rich during this crypto bear market. At least have to double your money just in few weeks investing only $3,000 or $2,000 and have to get profit of $2,000 just within 1 or 2 weeks. I'll show you my experimental portfolio when during one of the dip we had a few weeks ago I bought only 6 cryptos. Investment budget wasn't so big, I'm sure everyone can afford it. But still, if you will invest less, you can easily double your money like me. I always have some money to invest during bear market. This is the main rule, I always save money for this kind of market. A lot of people saying like, market is nice, the price is delicious, but where I will find money to invest?
In terms of money, we have no money.
So you guys should always be aware and prepare for the bear market. As always, my name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And guys, thank you so much for joining my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to grow it more so more people can understand crypto better. Hit that notification bell in order not to miss my videos. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you can see more live content on Instagram and see more posts about crypto on my Twitter. I'll appreciate your support so much. Before we start, just remember that I'm not financial advisor, I'm just girl with the camera and I'm sharing my crypto journey and experience right here on my YouTube channel with you. So take it as additional information and always do your own fundamental analysis and always do your own research before investing into crypto. Let's come back to our topic. Guys, let's not talk so much and straight away I'm going to show you my experimental portfolio. Okay guys, we moved our camera a little bit from different angle. I'm going to show you my screen recording and I'll show you exactly my portfolio which I bought and created during one of the dip we had, as I said before. So let's see, we have only 6 cryptos guys, and if we're talking exactly about one of the dates I bought some of cryptos, it was 20 of June. Yes, right, 20 of June. So it was about 1 month ago. And let's recall its experimental portfolio. So 1 month ago, I spent only $3,000 for each of these cryptos. For example, I spent only $300 for Celsium. Let's look closely. Yes, you can see here. And now we don't have any profit with Celsium, but one day I remember it was skyrocketing for me with Celsium in my portfolio. Next token was Solana, and you see that my profit is 42%, which is $168. Still, you see that I purchased $400 for Solana, which was exactly 13 Solana with that price, $29. Really delicious price. I think everyone was dreaming about for Solana. So if you took your chance, nice. If you didn't, still you have time to buy Solana, because now we're sitting at the price of $42. Still, it's really good price. And next one was Compound. Now we're sitting at the price of $57, and let's see price I bought Compound with. It was $30. So as you can see, 91% of profit. I invested only $300 into Compound and now I have $573. Remember, if you would invest more, as more you invest, as more profit you have. So if you took that risk and invested, for example, $3,000 in Compound, you would have 91% profit right now, which is a lot. And let's go back to our portfolio and see next coin I bought. It was Ethereum. Now we're sitting at this price, and I bought Ethereum with that price, $1,008 if we're being certain. So yes, it's, as you can see, 46%. And let's go to our next coin, which is of course Bitcoin. I invested $1,000 in Bitcoin. Now we're sitting at the price of $22,000, and price I bought it with was $20,900. And we see that we are in 6% profit. So let's go to our next coin and the last coin, I believe, which is Tidex. Now we're sitting at this price, and let's see profit we made. I bought Tidex from the first day it was launched. So as you can see, I made 379%.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And I also have allocation with Tidex, and if you want to see more about Tidex, go back to my another video, which was 2 videos before, I believe, and watch video about Tidex. So yeah, as you can see, Tidex brought me a lot of percentage, and just because it was experimental, I invested only $300, plus I have my allocations. So total, you see, I spent $3,000. Now I have $5,000 almost. And the biggest point of my portfolio, of course, was $5,300. And total I made 4%. If we will press allocation, we will see that Tidex is 29%, and then Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and other. And if we will go to look at statistic, we will see that all-time profit will be 65%. Best performer, worst performer. But let's go to Celsium and see price 2 weeks ago, and you will understand what I mean. For example, you remember when Celsium went to this price. This is insane because it's double from where we are now. So smart people locked up their profit or just sold Celsius during this price, or at least this level. So what the main reason why Celsius pumped that much during that period? So as you can see, tokens value transcended pressure and increased by more than 25% on Saturday. Despite the present effort of this management, the Celsius network token is exhibiting indications of a revival according to certain observers. In the past 24 hours, the price of Celsius has increased by approximately 80%. The price of Celsius cryptocurrency is increasing as a result of short sellers upload and sell tokens on exchanges. CoinGlass has reported that exchanges including OKX, FTX, and Hobby are experiencing short position of more than 80%. The suspension of withdrawals by Celsius network last month pushed the cryptocurrency market into a gloomy pit as its bankruptcy petition revealed $1.2 billion in faulty agreements. So faced with the skepticism and a growing number of withdrawal, spotted sales price soared from 0.64 cents to $1.5 on June 19 and June 12. So why Celsius is down right now? Celsius debt now down to around 120 million USD after our compound repayments. So Celsius suspended withdrawals in June, leaving scores of users unable to access their funds. That's what's happening to Celsius right now. So as I said before, smart people who bought Celsius before that pump was able to withdraw and sell Celsius, or at least lock up their profits. So guys, if you really enjoyed that kind of video when I'm revealing my portfolio or I'm doing my experimental portfolio with any tokens, let me know in the comment and I can do any experimental portfolio for my next video. For example, tell me tokens you want me to buy or add to my portfolio and I'll try to do it. Of course, I will not go crazy and I will not spend thousands of dollars for these tokens. But if I will buy at least a little bit, for example, for $100 or $300, we can see dynamics from my portfolio and how it will grow or go down. So if you're really interested in that kind of topic, in that kind of video, it can be my tradition to make these kind of videos every month for you, for example. And you can ask for any tokens you want me to add and see how it will go. Plus, with your help and advice and demand, I can control amount of tokens I'm buying, and also I can show you how easily you can diversify your portfolio with different tokens and what profit you will get from it.
Let's do this.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope this video was informative and enjoyable for you, and I'll see you in my next one.